Look at this. Finding new parts of the map. What's that here? What? Are we out here, folks? Hey, boy, shut that up. What? A little creepy. Oh, boy, stuff's. Oh, I was about to come with you, boy. What you talking about? I was about to come hold it for you. Might as well, yo. Pause. Where's them trout skis at? What'd you say? Yeah. Oh, with the tree? Oh. There's trout in here, boy. I'm trying to eat a trout. Yo. I almost jumped in the water. I almost walked in the water. I'm telling you, dude, I can't fucking swim. Yo, we exploring, folks. Type shit.
My shit went out. I don't think I brought the ladder.
It'd be like that. It's alright. Yeah, this is a cool spot, but cool water. Oh, this is cool.
You got a high rock there right there? You're in, so trying to survive in the woods, doing anything or whatever? It's basically got all these rocks over here, you got all these different directions. It's cleaning out the minerals, the bacteria, all that shit out the water.
Type shit. This is cool. I like this. I don't know, I might not go much farther, but.
Hey, let's take it. I mean, this tree's hundreds and hundreds of years old.
Well, it was. This shit is crazy, boy. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Here's the tree. I'd love to live out here. Yeah, it's crazy. Hey. Oh, it's got something up there. Little plaque telling you what it is.
Is that a dog?
I don't know what the fuck. What the fuck was that? Boy. Oh, that was a turkey? I'm trying to go see a turkey. You said a dog. I'm ready to go back to the whip already. What is this? Oh, the old sawmill, boy. That's what it is. Where them turkeys at? Oh, this is beautiful.
So you see it?
Dang, boy, that's crazy. Can I move some? Oh, oh, look, they got the little presentation. Oh, look at all the duck poop. Ducks be loving this one. Oh. Oh. Oh, it is water power. Yeah. Right there, so it's very creative. This is a cool spot, yo. I don't even know what this is. I still don't know what it is. I know it's a sawmill, obviously, but look at the nest above it. Where all the dookie is. Said this is cooler than High Rock. I'm used to High Rock. Oh, the J went out. Definitely do. Yeah, I'm trying to just see what this is.
Lumbering in America.